Dynasty 006 Heavy, descend unrestricted, maintain 2,600 and good rate for me, please.
Descend maintain 2,600 on restriction, Dynasty 006.
Alaska 444, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9, good day.
339 Alaska 444, good day.
Southwest 2478, training 160, reduce speed to 170.
Heading 160 and slow down to 117 knots, Southwest 2478.
Idaho 30, descend and maintain VFR at or above 6,500.
30 above 6,500.
Southwest 2478, there'll be traffic southeast on final for South Complex on rollout the airport 2 to 3 o'clock, 10 miles, advise it in sight.
Looking for traffic and we have the airport in sight, Southwest 2478.
Idaho 30, VFR at or above 5,500.
35,500.
South 2478, training 225 to join the final, clear visual approach runway 248.
225 to join final, clear visual 24 right, Southwest 2478.
So coverage Dynasty 060, we just saw the fly object at the 6,000.
Dynasty 006 Heavy, can you say that one more time, please?
We just saw the fly object like a flight suit just heading by 6,000.
Flying object, was it a UAV or was it a jetpack?
Like a jetpack, too shiny, too fast.
Dynasty 006 Heavy, roger, thank you. Number 215 Heavy, there was a jetpack reported about 13 miles ahead.
Copy, they went to Heavy.
Southwest 2478, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9, good day.
That was the day, Southwest 2478.
Idaho 30, VFR at or above 4,500.
34,500.
Idaho 30, and there was a jetpack reported about 7 miles west of you. There's no way you can go and check that out, can you?
30, affirmative.
Thank you. And VFR at or above, can you climb up to 65? It was reported around 6.
6,500 proceeding westbound.
Idaho 30, thank you. Due west from your present position because I have some arrival traffic that'll be just south of you.
30 welcome.
Idaho 30, and it was reported by a heavy Boeing 777. It's about 7 miles southwest of you, the location. Dynasty 006 Heavy, turn right heading 160, speed 190 or greater.
Right and 160, speed 190 or greater, Dynasty 006.
Emirates 217 Heavy, and manage your altitude, maintain 7,000. I'm just going to keep you at 7,000 till I get you east of the area where the jetpack was reported. So probably I'll keep you at 7 for about 9 miles.
That's copied at 7,000 feet, Emirates 215 Heavy.
FedEx 3070 Heavy, disregard. It was 3420 SoCal approach, Los Angeles altimeter 29906. Expect the visual approach rate 248.
That's 3420.
Emirates 215 Heavy, can we maintain 220 knots?
Emirates 215 Heavy approved as requested, and I'm actually going to put you on a left downwind to keep you clear of that area, so fly heading 110.
Okay, right heading 110, that's copied, Emirates 215 Heavy, thanks.
Idaho 30, fly heading, turn 20 degrees left, that should be the area in about 4 miles. 20 left, and that should take you to the area in about 4 miles.
20 degrees left, Idaho 30.
Dynasty 006 Heavy, terrain 225, intercept runway 24 right, localizer. There's traffic southeast to you on final for South Complex.
The right engine 225, intercept localizer for runway 24 right, Dynasty 006.
Skywest 3420, descend via the arrival, except maintaining 7,000.
Alright, descend via the arrival, except maintaining 7,000, Skywest 3420.
Idaho 30, and it was reported about your 12 o'clock and 4 miles.
30, 12 o'clock, 4 miles.
Dynasty 006 Heavy, 5 miles from Jetsam, maintain 2,200 till established, cleared, ILS runway 24 right approach.
2,200, runway 24 right, Dynasty 006.
Emirates 215 Heavy, contact approach 124.9, good day.
1249, thanks for the help, Emirates 215 Heavy, good day.
Thank you. And Idaho 30, you could do at or below 6,500.
Below 6,500, 30.
Idaho 30, I'm going to take all the arrivals south of the airport for left downwind inbound, so there'll be no arrivals coming in your area.
30.
Dynasty 006 Heavy, speed your discretion, contact Los Angeles Tower 133.9, good day.
133.9, Dynasty 006, good day.
FedEx 3070 Heavy, and I just want to confirm you were on the base, correct?
That is correct.
Thank you. That was 3420, traffic 2 o'clock, 6 miles northbound at a 6 for 8, a regional jet. They are procedurally separated from you.
Skywest 3420, roger, thanks.
Static 3070 Heavy, speed 210, approach 124.9er, good day.
24.9 and speed 210, good day, FedEx 3070 Heavy.
That was 3420. I'm going to take you on a left downwind. There was a jetpack reported north of LA, so I'm just trying to keep everybody clear of that area. So just so you know what I'm doing now.
Yep, we got you. Sky was 3420, thanks.
Yeah. That was 3420, reduced speed to 210 now, and after Cliffy, heading 110, vectors for the left downwind.
Okay, slowing to 210 now after Cliffy, heading 110, Sky was 3420.
Idaho 30, not seeing anything.
Idaho 30, roger that. Thanks for your help, and you can just continue your descent for your destination.
30 seconds.
Thank you.